Hey, what's going on everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, and today we are taking a look at the Tusk Chain Guide Guard, and I am talking to you KTM, Husqvarna GasGas owners out there. If aggressive off-road riding is your cup of tea and that's what you like to do, then this really is a necessary item for your motorcycle, because on those bikes, the stock chain guide tabs are cast aluminum, and it really is a weak spot for the motorcycle. You know, if you're going through a rock garden or doing anything where you might accidentally hit that part of the motorcycle, there is a good chance that it could break. And if that happens, you can get premature chain wear, or worst case, your chain could derail, and it's not cheap or easy to get that fixed. So a quick, easy way to just reinforce that is with this chain guard guide from Tusk. It's made from built aluminum. You've got anodized black, you have anodized orange. It installs really easily on the motorcycle. There's no modification that you have to do. You just bolt it directly on, and it can work with other chain guides that are not just OEM. You know, TM Designs, BRP, Acerbi, so it's gonna work with other brands as well. But again, for KTM, Husqvarna, GasGas riders out there, for off-road riding, that is a weak spot on those motorcycles. So do yourself a favor, don't procrastinate and wait till something bad accidentally happens. Get one of these on, bolt it on, add some cool look to your bikes and some extra protection. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab one of these for your bike, just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are bike specific, so just enter the year, make, and model when you're picking yours up. And as always, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. If you like product spotlights like this, we are the best place to go to for that. So give this video a thumbs up, get subscribed, and as always, we'll see you on the trails.